Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we will explore Trump Media and Technology Group in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 4th of August, 2025. And now we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 30th of July, 2025, our system has classified Trump Media and Technology Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.99. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock recorded a loss of -4.95%. This amounts to an average decline of -1.24% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently situated in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, with indications suggesting further decreases within this trend. The existing 3-month trend forecasts a potential decrease of approximately 30.57% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -42.09% to -23.26%. In terms of the longer perspective, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of -12.69%. Our calculations suggest that the stock's performance could fluctuate between -67.28% and +139.82% over the upcoming year. In present terms, this would translate to a future price estimated to fall anywhere between $5.53 and $40.51. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group highlights a red day on Monday for the company, as its stock experienced a decline of 0.177%. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 4th of August, 2025, the stock price of Trump Media and Technology Group Corp decreased from $16.92 to $16.89. This marks the 6th consecutive day of decline. During this trading session, the stock price fluctuated by 2.23%, with a low of $16.85 and a high of $17.23. The price has fallen in 8 of the last 10 days, resulting in a decrease of 12.26% over that time frame. Notably, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is a positive indicator, as volume typically follows stock price movements. The trading volume dropped by 2 million shares, with a total of 5 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $78.31 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $54.68, while the lowest was $11.75. Currently, the price is 69.11%, or $37.79, below the 52-week high, and 78.72%, or $62.49, below the all-time high reached on March 26, 2024, when the price peaked at $79.38. New America Acquisition I Corp, supported by Eric Trump and Donald Trump Jr., has submitted a filing for an initial public offering valued at $300 million. This action indicates a vigorous effort within the Trump family to broaden their business pursuits. Such a move could bolster investor confidence, potentially leading to a positive impact on DJT stock in the near term as anticipation grows around new prospects. Conversely, Trump Media and Technology Group has recently encountered challenges, including a federal judge dismissing a defamation lawsuit against NBC Universal. Additionally, the company's results for the second quarter revealed disappointing revenues of less than $1 million. Despite achieving its first positive operating cash flow after raising substantial funds for a Bitcoin investment strategy, the company's valuation remains concerningly high at approximately 1,375 times its sales in comparison to its peers, which raises alarms for long-term investors. Nonetheless, the overall sentiment surrounding DJT is mixed. The stock has experienced significant gains due to its increasing Bitcoin treasury, now valued at around $2 billion, prompting some investors to consider it a legitimate cryptocurrency opportunity. The ongoing fluctuations in Bitcoin prices, combined with the company's strategic adjustments, may result in volatility in DJT's stock price, presenting both risks and opportunities for investors in the forthcoming months. Analysts have assigned the Trump Media and Technology Group stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock is showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a generally negative forecast. Additionally, there is a broader sell signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. Should there be any upward corrections, resistance is anticipated at the levels of $17.85 and $18.44. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, July 22, 2025. And since then, the stock has declined by 14.95%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. During the last trading day, volume decreased in tandem with the price, which helps reduce overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 10 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy opportunity from 1 day ago. The short-term moving average produced a sell signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 4 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average signaled a sell 6 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 121 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 116 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and under the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the coming days. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with sufficient trading volume, the risk level is classified as medium. Over the previous day, the stock fluctuated by 375 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, reflecting a change of 2.23%. In the past week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 3.21%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 8th of August, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $18.67. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be advisable to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this might be a level worth considering for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which suggests that the stock could potentially decline sharply under certain conditions. Therefore, proceed with caution and consider placing trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 10th of June, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 8,500 shares of common stock. with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 14th of May, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 3,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 14th of May, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 7,567 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 14th of May, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 416 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 14th of May, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 36,774 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Analyzing the 69 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 18.632. In total, insiders purchased 226,177,920 shares and sold 115,945,948 shares over these 69 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation holds several negative signals and is currently within a very wide and declining trend, leading us to believe it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 5th of August, we anticipate that Trump Media and Technology Group will open higher by approximately 0.0983 and commence trading at $16.99. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.